So cow's closed, and then we'll just put the turnbuckle in position, please, Andy. Just to line up and draw it into tension. The thrust reverser halves to allow, I think, L4 latch, the first one, to be done up. And this has got to go a long way before it comes in. This can be seen by the gap here at the moment, which is rather wide. But just a bit of spanner work for a minute or so. Wonderful, Andy. How's that L4 latch now, Scott? Beautiful. Okay, perfect. So now, L1, I think, looking at that, does it say now to Stover turnbuckle? Sorry, L1, you're right. So, Scott's done the L1. L2 turnbuckle stay then, please. Learnt a trick there. Swings past the L6 latch handle quite well. Beautiful. Lovely. So, L5. L5 in the thrust reverse cold stream, followed by L3 and L6, which is the fantastic. Well done, gentlemen. Thank you. Now just the panels to go up, which, as I was saying, can be a little bit tricky in three hands with a pit pin and the sprung loaded latches. These lanyards are well thick, the wire, so it's quite a beautiful. Come with the drain pipe through the orifices, that holds you off a little bit. Fantastic, thanks fellas.